My mind is ultraviolet, sprinkling that under pressure. That's through the car that jacket, I missed the high. Nigga know that 5 pounds of pressure coming for you with that Glock 45.
What's good, YouTube? Welcome back to another unboxing video today. Now, this is gonna be a quick little video. That way I can actually get things set up. As you can see in the title, we have a new webcam. Yes, I bought a second webcam, trying to get my streamer thing on, you feel me? And just to give you guys like a different point of view. We always just like face to face. You don't always look into my eyes, but you know. Anyway, I'm done being weird. We got the Logitech Brio 4K web camera. Now, a little story time. I know, I always do this. I do my homework on these webcams and everything. I was gonna buy, I think it's called a DSLR or something like that. The cameras, the big boy cameras. But I chose to wait because when I do get one of those, I want to get like the best one. And I don't know which one is like the good one to get, the bad one to get. So I didn't want to like even tap into that section. So I thought, let me just get a web camera. And then I already got a Logitech C920, which I'm using right now. 1080p, 1080p, 30 frames per second. It looked crystal clear. I got only one light on me right now, but when I bring my ring light out, be popping, get some natural sunlight coming in, it be popping. I have no complaints with this camera. I've been using it for some time now. So we have this guy right here. As you can see, this is what Amazon sent me. No fancy box, no nothing. But yes, the Brio Logitech 4K. I've done some research on it. I watched a lot of videos. I'll tag all the videos that I watch in the description. That way that can help you on your journey of finding a 4K webcam, which was a little difficult to find. There was some cheap ones out there. It was like, it was some bad options out there. And then when I came across this, I'm like, this is the one. So here we go right here. A little dusty. Wow, that don't look pretty in there. How you doing? Look at you. Okay, girl. Okay. This joint is nice. Let's take them out. This is it. This is all it came with. Oh shit. Okay. So yes, I'm all over the place right now. I didn't know it was just this. So boom, we got our camera right here. It has a nice wide angle. I pulled up the specs on the side, so we're gonna go through that real quick. The 4K camera, Ultra HD. It can do 720p, 1080p, and 4K. I believe the 4K is in 30 frames per second, but the 720p can go up to 90 frames per second. 1080p can go to 60 frames per second. I think that. Don't quote me, but that's what I remember when I was watching somebody. But it also gets some wide angles from 65, 78, and 90 degrees, which is crazy. That means you getting everything behind me, you feel me? It got the USB-C, so you'll plug that in right in the back, and then that plugs right into your computer, bow. It also has its own software too. Don't know much about that, but I'm gonna do my research on that because from the video I watched, I like it. I like what they doing with it. I don't know how it's gonna work with my editing software and my streaming software, but we will see. What else can I tell you about it? It was $132 on Amazon when I bought it. Right now is at $128, and then it's a sale on it like every 3 days. So if you see one up there for like $150, $200, don't do it. Go to Amazon, bro. Like Best Buy got it for $200. Walmart got it for $200. And the highest I seen on Amazon was $147. And then I waited 2 days and it was $132. This came in today and currently is $128. So you can get a good price for this camera, which is not bad for a 4K camera. Now, the videos I watch, yes, I watch videos. I don't know if this is legit yet, but the videos I watch, the camera is crisp, it's clear, it's brighter than my actual camera that I'm using now. When I actually get this set up after this, I'll add a video to this video. That way y'all can see me in the 4K footage, and y'all can see it for yourselves. Feel me? So let's see what else is in this box. I know I'm like speed rushing through this. I don't want this video to be too long because I still got some other stuff to do, and I still gotta set it up. I gotta go through all the settings and everything too. So I got a lot to learn real quick and the quickness. Considering I'm trying to stream tonight, you know, Call of Duty. All right, so yeah, this is our USB-C. Let's pop this out the junk. Put that trash to the side. What is on me? Yes, our USB-C or USB. Plug that into the camera. Plug this into your computer, and while you are connected. Oh crap! Menus and everything else fell out the back. What is this? I don't know what this is. This is a bag. Okay, it got its own little baggy bag. That's a nice size. It's bigger than the actual camera. Okay, just put that joint in there, take it on the go. We out of here. I feel it. Okay, I'm gonna use this for something else though, not for the camera. But this can be handy for something. I don't know what yet. This is our little instructions that come with it. I'll let y'all check that out. Just like I was saying, plug the USB into the camera. Plug the USB into the computer. You can mount it on top of your monitor, or you can put it on a tripod. Or yeah, that's your options. Me, I got this thing on Amazon. I think it's called like a lazy stick with the mount that you can like literally screw like the camera on top of it, or you can screw things into the top that can hold the camera or a cell phone or anything. I got one of those drones and I got that clipped to my desk. I got my current camera is on one now, and I ordered another one because I love it. I would never choose nothing else because the shit is fire. And that's all that came in a box, yo. That's about it. I ain't getting no extra stuff, no goodies, none of that. I ain't need all that. I just needed the camera. So we're gonna plug this in. We're gonna see what it's gonna look like, and I'm gonna see y'all in a little bit. Okay, so this is the Logitech Brios. We looking at each other right now. I'm looking at my monitor and it's a lot brighter. I do gotta mess with the settings a little bit, just to like trying to get it to a good color for me personally, but it's definitely brighter. I had to mess with my lip sync before I even started recording because my lip sync was way off. I don't know what it looked like now. I hope it looked good, but it honestly, it looks good. I can see like my skin complexion look kind of crazy. Like I don't know. I only got one light too, so remember that. I don't have my ring light up, so when I get my ring light up and get some sunlight up in here, or some brightness, more brightness, it'll probably look way better. But just off of this little light that I got right here, I'm liking the way it looked. So we'll see. I'm gonna start streaming in a little bit, and we're gonna see what it look like once I get my game on. So if this video is helpful, make sure you give it a thumbs up. I'm also gonna link to the videos that I've seen that helped me out to make my purchase in the description, because these guys know what they talking about. I don't really know what I'm talking about. I'm just a guy opening up some new gifts. That's all I'm doing, bro. But these are actually like tech guys, and they do that stuff. You feel me? So shout out to them. Definitely go subscribe to those guys, and subscribe to the channel. We drop bangers every week. This video, hopefully, is another one. I hope it helps somebody make a good purchase. That's all I do this for. Yeah, make sure I leave a like, subscribe, thumbs up the video, and I'm gonna see you on the next video. A lot of love and the support, and we out this joint.